Is 10% a realistic number? We're coming to the end of the review of the investment bank. Could that 10% be even bigger?
Yeah, it seems like it should be at least 10%. That's what we're hearing the bank is considering. They haven't confirmed this yet, but this does say that there could be potentially more. It shouldn't be much more, but 10% is the minimum that's under consideration, yes.
So, Steve, I'm a little curious as to why they're targeting this specific unit. I mean, the rates unit, I guess, by most measures, doesn't necessarily always have to be profitable. It's partly sort of a risk unit. So what's the thinking behind this?
Well, I think you outlined it pretty much perfectly. The unit isn't profitable. They want to eliminate the units that are not profitable. The CEO has said that, but it's also a very important unit for companies that they're focusing on to help them manage risk. So they got to keep at least some of it to be able to continue to offer those services, but they won't need all of it.
Steve, what do we know as we come to the end of this process about where this is going to leave the bank? It's a bit of a moving target for Deutsche Bank trying to obtain profitability. Is there a sense from your reporting within the bank that they're doing enough? Because we've been through so many rounds of this kind of thing.
Well, they have a very strong plan in place now. The CEO, Christian Sewing, unveiled it in early July. They're now aiming for an investor day in December and will present more details. And this is what we reported today as part of that. Once that's in place, that plan should last for a while. They're making progress. They've sold some equities business. The question is, and analysts raised that just today, whether they can meet their revenue target. And if it becomes clear that they won't be able to do that, then, of course, we'll be looking at probably another round of restructuring.